BK Kids.
You! Q, Q, Q says quay. Say it loud, quay. Q, Q, Q says quay. Put your lips together, quay like this. What sound does Q make? Quack, quack, quack. Let me hear you say it. Quack, quack, quack. You! Q is for queen. Quack, quack, queen. Q is for quiet. Shh, be quiet. Q is for quick. Run real fast. Q is for quack. Hear the duck go quack. What sound does Q make? Quack, quack, quack. Say it, shout it, whisper too. Quack, quack, quack. Good job, you. Let's hop like a quick little bunny. Wave to the queen. Hello, honey. Tiptoe quiet, don't make a sound. Quack like a duck, quack, quack all around. Q, 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 Q says quack. Can you say it? Yes, you can. Quack, quack, quack. Hooray for Q. We love phonics. Yes, we do.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.